Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope all you are well in your homes and doing your study and taking the preparation for the first evaluation test. And today I am going to take a very important class for you, and this is important because you have made request for the class, okay, from the guardian. The request come that to take a class on identification, okay. So you know it better that we have done this class earlier, that identification means to identify the parts of speech in a sentence, okay? To identify the parts of speech in a sentence. We know that what is parts of speech? Parts of speech is each and every word of a sentence. Each and every word of a sentence. For example, if I write here, I am taking a class. So here I is a part of speech, am is another, taking is another, a is another, class is another. Okay. So each and every part of a sentence is parts of speech. Okay. So we have to know which part, which word is called by which name. Which name. That means there are 8 kinds of parts of speech. That means 8 names are hidden in a maximum. 8 names can be hidden in a sentence, and we have to find it out which word is will be named by which parts of speech. Clear? So today we will discuss the 3 very important things, that is noun, pronoun and verb. Noun, pronoun and verb. Okay. So let's start and watch how we can easily find it out. First, what is noun? Noun, name of any person, animal, things, quality. Okay. Animals, and you can also add here animals and birds, okay. Also you can trees, okay. This sort of thing you can add here. So just think about person, animals, birds, trees, things, quality. Another very important thing is quality. So what does it mean, person? For example, I am Firdaus Ahmed and you have also your name, okay. Then animals, okay, cow, goat, tiger, elephant, this sort of animals. Then birds, magpie, sparrow, parrot, okay. Trees, mango tree, coconut tree, okay. And you can also give them other names like shrub, then herb. These are also names. Then things, chair, table, okay, and refrigerator, room, road. This may be included in things. And after that, quality. What is that is very important. You make mistake in that point. Okay, quality. For example, truthfulness, sincerity, okay, action, honesty. Okay, so that means there are many more qualities in that word. Some are good, some are bad, but this quality have name. ঠিক আছে? In Bangla, if I want to say, what will we say? যেমন সত্যবাদিতা, নিয়মানুবর্তিতা, অধ্যবসায়, কেমন? এরকম অনেক গুণ আছে না? যে গুণগুলো কি? আমরা সেই গুণগুলোর একটা নাম আছে। যেমন সততা একটা গুণের নাম, আর যিনি সততা ধারণ করেন তিনি হচ্ছেন সৎ। ঠিক আছে? সত্যবাদিতা একটা গুণের নাম, আর যিনি সত্যবাদিতা ধারণ করেন তিনি হচ্ছেন সত্যবাদী। ঠিক আছে? এই জায়গাটা আমরা খুব কনফিউজ হয়ে যাই। এই নাউনগুলো দেখলে কি, that type of noun, these are called abstract noun. Whenever we see this type of noun, we become confused and we transfer these words into adjective. So dear students, be very much cautious, be very much careful. You shouldn't do that mistake. Okay? So I hope that you understand what is noun and what are they. Secondly, pronoun. Anything that is used instead of noun to express the name. Okay, so anything that is used to express the noun or the name. Okay, so for example, Firdaus Ahmed is a teacher. Okay, and if I say like that, I am taking a class. So Firdaus Ahmed is a teacher, his name, and after that I used myself as I. Okay, for example, Rohim is a good student. He studies properly or regularly. So instead of Rohim, he is used. Okay, so thus we can use many more words like I, you, he, she, they, we. Okay, so you can memorize it or you can keep it in your mind like I, me, my, you, your, he, him, his, she, her, they, them, their. Okay, this, it, these are also pronoun. So these type of things I repeat: I, me, my, you, your, he, him, his, she, her, they, them, their. Then we ask our, it, this. These are some personal pronoun. These are some personal pronoun. There are many more pronoun, but in your level, I am not giving you this. I will take another class for the description of other its kinds of pronoun. So that is pronoun. So I think you understand. And verb, to express a word or what the noun or pronoun is. Okay, to express a word. For example, I write a short composition. I write a short composition. Okay, so here write. My work is writing. My work is writing. But if the sentence is like that, he is a good boy. Okay, so what is the verb here? Here is no verb. What is the verb here? He is a good boy. Okay. For example, another, they were poor. Clear? So they were poor. So where are the verbs here? We can't see any verb. So here is the verb is and there is where. Why? Because they are expressing what the noun or pronoun is. What the noun or pronoun is. So dear students, you will keep it in your mind that whenever they express what the noun and pronoun is, these are also considered as verb. So I hope you understand the definition. Now we will see some examples so that your confusion just get clear. Dear students, now we will check some example to erase your confusion. Okay, so that your confusion will be totally diminished. How? For example, the first one, he goes to market. Okay, in your exercise sheet, you can get it just one underline, but I have given here more underline so that you don't be confused. And in the examination, it also may be changed because we have mentioned that this is only to follow for practice. Okay, he goes market. So he, I think you understand, he is used instead of a name. Instead of a name, so it is a pronoun. Okay, goes, Java. That means that is the word. He is doing something. So that is verb. And market. Where? Market. Market is the name of a place. Market is the name of a place or any particular building or something. So we can term it as noun. Okay. So in a sentence, you can easily see that there may be a pronoun, a verb, a noun. That means this two is also a partial space, but today I am not discussing that because I haven't given any idea about that, so I didn't count it. Next, this is pen. Okay, these three underline. So what is this? This is also a pronoun. Okay, this is also a pronoun, and is verb. We said it already that if the word express what the noun or pronoun is, that is also verb. And pen, we know that pen is very important for our writing. It's the name of a thing. For example, that is marker, like pen. So pen is the name of writing equipment. So it is also noun. So I hope the next one, I love my country. Okay, I have underlined all the words because it suits with our question. What? I is pronoun. I is pronoun. Love is verb. Love is verb. So expressing loving something, that is also a word. Okay, and after that, my is pronoun. My is pronoun. Country is noun. Okay, that is the name of a place or a particular land area. Okay, so the next one we can see, I know him. I know him. So I is pronoun, know is verb, and him is what? Him is also a pronoun. Some time ago, when I described the definition, when I described what is this, on that time I say about this. Okay, this type of pronoun. And the fifth one, that postman. Okay, postman. What is? The person who delivers the letters, parcels, that sort of thing. We call him postman. So that is also noun. Okay. So put, that means keeping something. That is a verb. So that is verb. What? That is verb. And finally, that is, what is this? That is letters. Letters. So it is also a noun, and that is box. We know that the box is the name of a thing. Okay. For example, it sometimes becomes a rectangular shape, or a square shape, or a circular shape. Okay. So box is also noun. Box is also a noun. That is the name of a thing. So, dear students, I hope that you understand. Okay. So the three things that we'll discuss in the first evaluation test. What is noun, pronoun, verb? Noun, pronoun, and verb. So what is noun? If there is the name of anything, that is called noun. Okay, the name may be of any person. Okay, for example, I am standing at home. There are many names. Clear? For example, it's a room, wall, ceiling, then door, window. Okay, lots of names. Kitchen, bedroom, living room. Okay, these all are names. So just think name in a very short context. It can be very vast. And another thing is very important, which we just, that is abstract noun. That is the name of the quality. For example, that creates many problems. For example, truthfulness, action, honesty, sincerity. These are also noun. And after that, pronoun. What is? Pronoun is which used instead of noun. Which is instead of noun. So when we don't use the noun repeatedly. For example, Rita is a good girl. Rita studies her books regularly. Rita can sing well. Rita can dance. So we don't use Rita all the time. What we use? We use Rita for the first time, and after that, in all the sentence, we use the pronoun like she. Instead of Rita, the pronoun will be she. And third one is verb. Okay. In the context of grammar, each and everything is verb. If you are sleeping, walking, jumping, kicking, okay, so playing, love, everything, hate, everything is verb. Okay, if it is expressed just any word, it is verb. And also, what are verb? Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. Okay, these are also verb. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. These are also verb. This word sometimes don't express any word, but it creates the sense what is the noun or pronoun is, or what it has the noun, what do the noun and pronoun have. Okay, so these are also verb. So dear students, hope that you have got total clear idea and there won't be any problem in the evaluation test for you. And if you feel any problem, you must inform me through the comment in my channel or in the comment box. And I also finally I also want to tell you that the video will be published through a YouTube channel. If you don't subscribe it, please subscribe and watch regularly, okay? And it will help you to find out the videos again very easily. So thank you all. Goodbye.
Fuck her in the Benz.